Hey everyone! Welcome back to this English listening practice video. You can use this to practice your listening and understand simple English. I speak slowly and clearly, so don't worry. Just relax and listen. You can also listen many times if you want. That's okay. Today we will talk about travel. Do you like traveling? I do. Traveling is fun. You can see new places, meet new people, and try new food. It's exciting, but sometimes traveling can also be scary or confusing. That's normal. Let's talk about travel in simple English. Are you ready? Let's go. So, what is travel? Travel means going from one place to another. You can travel by car, by bus, by train, or by airplane. Some people travel for fun, some people travel for work. Some people travel to see their family. I like to travel by train. It is slow, but I can look out the window. I see trees, houses, and people. It's very relaxing. Do you like trains? Or maybe you like planes. Planes are very fast. You can go to another country by plane. Let's talk about what we do when we travel. First, we plan the trip. We ask, where do I want to go? How many days will I stay? What will I do there? Then we book a ticket. We can buy a plane ticket, a train ticket, or a bus ticket, online or at the station. Easy. Next, we pack our bag. What do we put in our bag? Clothes, a toothbrush, a phone, maybe a book. Don't forget your passport if you travel to another country. Passport is very important. Sometimes I forget my phone charger. Oh no, that's not good. But don't worry, we all forget things sometimes. It's normal. After packing, we go to the station or airport. We wait. We look at the time, we check our ticket, then we go. We sit, we watch, we relax. When we arrive, we feel happy. We see new places, we take pictures, we eat new food. When I traveled to the mountains, I saw snow. It was cold, but very beautiful. I drank hot tea and looked at the sky. It was quiet and peaceful. Sometimes I feel a little nervous when I travel alone. That's okay too. You can talk to people, ask for help, or use a map on your phone. Let's learn some simple travel English. Repeat after me if you want. It's good practice. Where is the train station? How much is a ticket? I want to go to the airport. Can you help me, please? I am lost. Thank you. Good job. You are learning. It's okay if you don't understand everything now. You can listen again later. That's how we learn. Here are some simple tips for traveling. Take only what you need. Don't pack too much. Always check the time for your bus or train. Be kind to other travelers. Smile. Learn a few words in English or the local language. It helps a lot. Take photos. Write notes. Make memories. Traveling can teach you many things. It's not just about going far. Even going to a nearby town is travel. You don't have to go far to learn something new. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes when you travel. You may take the wrong train or get lost. That's okay. Ask someone. Say, "Excuse me," and smile. Most people are happy to help. You are doing great. Learning English takes time, but every day you are getting better. Just like traveling, learning a language is a journey. Step by step, don't worry. Don't give up. I believe in you. Thank you for listening to this travel practice episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you feel more confident with your English. If you like this video, leave a comment and tell me. Where do you want to travel one day? I would love to hear your answer. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English practice. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.